Renovating your home can be an exciting and rewarding project.
However, before you start tearing down walls or ripping up floors, it's important to properly assess your plumbing system.
Failing to do so could lead to costly repairs or even major water damage.
Here are some tips to help you prepare for a renovation and assess your plumbing system.
First and foremost, it's crucial to check for any leaks. Even small leaks can cause significant damage over time, so it's important to address them before they become a bigger problem.
Look for any signs of water damage, such as water stains on walls or ceilings, musty odors, or mold growth.
If you notice any of these signs, it's best to call a professional plumber to locate and fix the source of the leak. Next, evaluate the condition of your pipes.
If you have older pipes made of materials like galvanized steel or cast iron, they may be prone to corrosion and leaks. Consider having a plumber inspect your pipes to determine if they need to be replaced.
Upgrading to more durable materials like copper or PEX can help prevent future plumbing issues.
Additionally, consider any necessary repairs or upgrades.
If you're planning on adding a bathroom or kitchen to your renovation, contractor may need to install additional plumbing lines.
It's important to plan for these additions and make sure your existing plumbing system can accommodate the changes.
Consulting with a professional plumber can help you determine the best course of action.
In conclusion, properly assessing your plumbing system before starting a renovation is essential to avoid costly repairs and potential water damage.
Checking for leaks, evaluating the condition of your pipes, and planning for any necessary repairs or upgrades will help ensure a successful renovation project. Don't hesitate to contact a professional plumber for assistance and guidance throughout the process.